Welcome. If you wanna use split screen in your Samsung Galaxy A9 2018, for the first you have to download this application that you want to use. So in my case it will be the Google Chrome or the Google Go, and also I'm gonna use the messages. And right now, just from the left corner we have to swipe and click on the icon of the application, use the open in split screen view option, and right now we can choose our second application, and right now we can use it. And with this switcher you can also adjust the size of application. You can just choose which one have to be bigger or the smaller. And this is how it looks. Thank you for the watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.